Hey guys, what is up? Today I have another upgrade video for the 2013 custom built here. And yeah, this is kind of an unexpected upgrade. I didn't really want to do this one. But see, my second hard drive in this computer, my secondary Seagate 2.5 inch 500 gigabyte hard drive, started acting weird. About 6 months ago, it just, out of the blue, I left my computer on for the weekend to run a server off of it, a Minecraft server, and the hard drive just stopped being detected, like it just went away. And it, right now, today, a couple hours ago, it just did the same thing. So I'm not going to take any chances with it since all of my important stuff is on there. So I just figured I'm going to take, I bought this is a WD black 1 terabyte 7200 RPM, I think 32 maybe 64 megs of cache, I don't know, I forget. It doesn't say on the box. So it's a SATA 6 gig drive, which is an upgrade because that one on there is only a SATA 2. So this hard drive is much better and much faster than that one. This is a WD black, so it's the best hard drive WD makes. So yeah, overall higher RPMs, higher data rate there, more cache, more capacity. You know, it's just a much better drive. This cost me about $105 or something like that. So I'm gonna add that to the build, the cost of the build. So my computer will be over, I think, $900 now. But yeah, anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this in there because you know, I have to. And then I'm going to transfer all my stuff over from that drive and put it on this one. And then I'm just going to keep the Seagate drive in there, and I'm only going to use it as a page file drive, just to save space on my SSD. Like, my page file is on there right now. But yeah, I'm just going to keep it on there, and I'll put this in here and transfer all of my stuff over to this one. So yeah, anyway, done enough explaining. Let's go ahead and get installing and stuff. So I'm going to disconnect my screws here. Disconnect, yeah, I'm going to disconnect the screw. It makes perfect sense, right? So I'm going to go ahead and take off the screws on both side panels here. So just give me a minute. One more thing, I should probably silence the fans for this video. Okay, there. So it's much more audible that way, my voice is anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and remove both side panels now. Remove the solid one on this side, and actually I'm gonna go ahead and move it in here just a little bit, so that way you can see what's going on. So I'm gonna move it in just like that, so because most of the action is gonna be down here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this side panel too. Take this one off. There you go. And holy shiz. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the drive now, and then I'll change the camera around to the other view to hook up the cables and such. So, and take this, and I'm gonna open it. Don't cut yourself. I think that'll do her. I'm not sure, because there's like a thing on it, so I don't know. Hold on. Oh, right. Okay, so just cut it like that. This drive has a 5-year warranty also, so it's definitely a lot better than my previous one. I think my previous one only had a 1-year warranty because it was an external drive in its early life. So yeah, here, let me switch hands here. So if we open the drive up here and we pull out all of the stuff for $100 paid to Western Digital, you get the internal hard drive quick install guide. I don't need that. Those are for non-nerds. And you also get a technical support and limited warranty guide. So I'll definitely keep that. I'll just keep the whole thing inside the box. And of course, we have our hard drive right here. So if we pull off these thingies, we have a 1 terabyte. Oh, it has 64 megabytes of cache. Holy shit. My current one has 8 megabytes of cache. So That is an 8-time upgrade right there, so it has 8 times more cache, so that should definitely be good for performance. WD Black, 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM. It ought to say it somewhere. So yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and install it. It was manufactured March 25th, 2013, as you can see there. So it's a relatively new drive. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out the caddy here. This is a screwless installation, so it'll be very, very easy. And I left a space right here for this. Well, not for this reason, but I double spaced my hard drives the first time I put them in there. So yeah, now I can just slide this one right in here. I don't even have to do anything with that one, so that's cool. I'm going to take this, open it, and I'm going to slide the hard drive out if I can. It's weird because, oh, there's a silica bag too to keep out moisture. So there's the hard drive out of its enclosure. So look at that, that's real nice. So all you got to do with my Corsair Carbide 300R case is just, this going to go this way because the connections are going to be back there. I take that, and then you just bend it over, and there you go. And it has little rubber things right in there to reduce vibration from the hard drive, you know, spinning. So that's easy. It's just in that caddy like that, screwless installation like I said. Very cool. Let's go ahead and shove this baby in there. There you go. So now we have one hard drive in there, right there. I'm not even going to zoom in because we're just going to move the camera around anyway. So if we move the camera over here, we can point it at my mess of wires back here. Look at that, ain't that beautiful? So I have to take this extra SATA cable I have from my motherboard and install it on the hard drive. And I also have to find a SATA power lead. That'll be fun. There's one right there, but that's not available for use. Let's see. What about that one? Yep, that'll work. Okay, good. So I'm gonna pull all this out. This is really crappy. All these cables and shit. Sorry if my head's in the way. And pull that over a little bit. And boy, I need a different power supply for all of these cables. I think this should work just fine. Okay, and take this, plug it in here, if I can get to it. Maybe. Again, sorry if my head's in the way of the camera there. Okay, it's in. So we bend that down there. Bend that over there somewhere. Ah, shit, what am I doing? Okay, and then have this come up through here. Again, I'm taking cable management in mind. And we will plug her into the available SATA 6 gigabit port. So that is very cool. I have an available SATA port. Alright, she's in. So that's it. Now, let's see if we can stuff all these wires in. I don't know about that, but let's try it. Yeah, this sucks. Okay, let me move the camera out of the way real quick. Point it to the other side just because it's gonna be like that anyway. So, yeah, you can look at my wonderful build. Right now, boy, this sucks. Let me see what's going on here. There's just a shit ton of wires in the way. Okay, well, I'm just gonna smash her in there. I believe that's how I had it on before. Anyway, holy crap, those wires aren't gonna want to fit in there, are they? No, they are not. Boy, this is a bitch. Well then, shove that down there. How will we? I don't know what to do. Man, if this thing goes on, I will be amazed. Holy crap, it went on. Alrighty. So let me go ahead and put this thing in. My screws are dropping all over the place. And that one there. God damn it. That one there. My side panel. just to make sure. Okay. Got my arms in the way for this one, sorry. Freaking screws are dropping all over the place. Screw this one in there. Alright. That concludes it. Let's go ahead and put all this stuff back in the bag. The box, I should say. If it'll fit. It'll fit. And put the documentation back in there as well. I'm going to need that stuff. Smash her down in there. Close up the box. Bam. Let's power this baby up, shall we? Let's go into the BIOS. Make sure it's detecting all the stuff. Pressing delete. Okay, great. I only had to press it 300,005 times. System status. Okay, there is my SATA port 1 not present. So my SSD's not showing up now. Really? Okay. I hate this. I don't hate this. I like this because I do this kind of crap, but I hate when this shit happens. I guess I knocked my SSD port loose, I guess. I'm not sure. I don't know. Let's see. See if she's still in there. Yeah, she's still in there. Let's try it now before I, do anything. I'm not sure. I don't know. Maybe I have to reconnect it. I'm not sure. Talk about a loose connection. Okay, entering setup. Okay, settings. System status. Still not there. Alrighty, I'm getting pissed off now. Well, I guess I have to check connection. I can't unplug this now. Probably won't even upload this video. It's just turning out to be a fail. I don't know. Let's try it now. Let's just see if it boots this time. Let's see. No boot. What the fuck? Okay, I have to experiment. The cable disconnected. Go figure. Yeah. That's how I roll. I looked in there and somehow the SATA cable for the SSD was disconnected. I guess because I was tugging on those wires so much that I guess it disconnected it. Who knows? It was halfway out of the port, so no wonder it didn't work. Now, let's see. Your device is ready to use. WDC. There you go. And I have to format it. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Let's see. Computer manage. Disk management. You must initialize disk. Master boot record. It's fine. Okay, now it should show up. No? Okay, let's format it. New simple volume. It's fine. Assign the following drive layer. Fine. Format this drive with the following settings. Volume label. Western Digital Storage drive. Perform a quick format. Next. Yes. Formatting. Okay, now it's there. Yep, there it is. Great. Okay, there. All formatted, 931 gigabytes. Sweet. Now I have to just transfer literally everything. Everything. Let's cut it. Take it over here. Let's paste it. This should take 1,000 years. This is about 140 gigabytes of stuff, so it's going to take a long time. But anyway, yeah, that upgrade was successful, apart from a few loose SATA cables. So yeah, that's going to take about probably a day to complete, but yeah, whatever. I don't care. I just want to get everything off there, and yeah, actually it's only going to take an hour, so yeah, cool. So yeah, that's the upgrade. Sorry about the long video. Sorry about the very long video. I sincerely apologize, but if you watch it all, hey, you're awesome. Okay, later.